Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, November 17th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather is a high of 55, a low of 32, partly cloudy, and a 1% chance of rain. Today's breakfast is a sausage biscuit. Today's lunch is a beef patty, mashed potatoes, peas and carrots, and breadstick. AR superstars that have met their quarterly goal. In Miss Archer's class, Ariana Hadley and Safari Timmons. In Miss Bolton's class, Justice Douglas and Jackson Hester. In Miss Langford's class, Madison Burks. In Miss Moore's class, Ariana Goodwin White and Treasurer Reynolds. In Miss Sunsdale, Zayden Jones. In Miss Waller, Jeffrey Adskin, Zeray A. Carter Craig, Aaliyah Crenshaw, T.J. Junaway, Kalia Longmire, Jacob Moore, Javier Sneed, and in Miss Weaver's class, Caitlin Rodriguez. Important dates on light duty. November 17th, tutoring ends. November 18th, Feel Good Friday and Kona Ice. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break. November 28th, faculty meeting. December 6th is school spelling bee. December 13th, winter wonderland. December 15th, class Christmas parties. December 16th, last day of second quarter. And December 19th through January 2nd is Christmas break. Today's birthday is Skylar Langster in Miss Barnes' class. Happy birthday, Skylar. Lily wonders, how are the seasons different? Bryson researched, in spring, trees start growing again and sprout new leaves. Summer trees keep growing during summer. In fall, trees stop growing, and in winter, many trees and small plants are bare and lie dormant. Send us your question. We are still doing questions of the day to be answered by our research team. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.